Welcome back to the channel. Since I live in a small town, there ain't really much to do, so I'm going to try to hook these up and see what happens. And record some of it, I guess. Probably be a short video. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Well, let's get to it. So, let's see if I can get this to work right. Well, let's go hook up the front one. Maybe that's what we need. I have no idea how to hook these up. I'm just winging it. I hope I can get these damn flashers to stop flashing so fast. Here's the box. Yeah. This part's gonna be sucky. What are you doing, me ass? That's my puppy over there. See her? That's my puppy. Had her for 11 years, 10 years. She's 10 years old. Got her in 2009. Now back to this rear one. I got it. And that doesn't blink fast. So I explained a little bit of my Del Sol, which I forgot to do. I changed out every light in here, but maybe the trunk light, to LED. Turn signals, headlights, fog lights, tail lights, brake lights. It came with the eBay exhaust going down when I bought the car. The guy said it was cheaper to replace it with that than the normal factory exhaust, which is understandable. So I went out buying a cold air intake, changed the spark plugs, you know, oil, all that good stuff that you normally do when you buy a new car anyways. But I did replace the headlights, the tail lights, the motor mounts because they needed them. And the only thing I gotta say is those motor mounts makes the car vibrate a lot during the winter time. Summertime when it's hot out, not so bad, especially when the car starts warming up. But other than that, I got it on 17s lowered. Yes, that is white plasti dip. I also oversprayed it with glow in dark paint. That's why it has a yellow tint to it. It's supposed to glow better than it does, but it don't. So I am going to change that eventually here soon. But that's about it. I have a little montage or whatever you want to call it. I'll put in the middle. Of course, you know, it's different videos from different days, so you just have to deal with it. Because I'm trying to learn how to do all this and talk on the camera and all that good stuff to make my boring town interesting before I can make videos to maybe one day make it. Pretty much. But I do have merch. If you want to buy some, hit me up on Instagram. That'd be the easiest way. And we can figure it out from there. Alright. I finally got all 4 resistors in, and my turn signals are blinking slower now since I got the LEDs. I got LED headlights, brake lights, all that good stuff, but the turn signals now blink slower, which is why I wanted it in the first place. And since this is probably going to be the outro, kind of, I am going to probably put in some drone footage. We had some turkey vultures. I think that's what they're called here in Indiana, flying around my drone. I thought they was going to attack it out of midair, which they didn't, but they flew pretty close. I tried to get some of them on video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to start posting a lot more videos here soon. Working on my Del Sol. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I don't have a Facebook page yet, or Twitter, or nothing like that, but I did post up my new shirt that I got made for myself, so when I go to car events and stuff like that, it has something funny on it. If you're on my Instagram, you would already see it. It's Wicked Whips MW, like my YouTube. Both of them is the same. Snapchat's the same way, spelled out the same way. well, like I said, hope you enjoy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Tryna call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9. We can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind, and I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about, nah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Tryna get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo.